Okay, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
So, your 4 days of psychological SSP psychology capsule course is over. So, it would be great if you guys can share your experience. How did you feel when you joined the course? What you were in psychology and how you were perceiving psychology as. And when you finished your course today, how do you feel? Is there any difference in that? Please.
Jain sir, the first thing that I believe is a garbage of clutter and confusion was eliminated by by a class and session of clarity that sir gave. And second thing was I have been carrying a lot of misconception about TAT in particular and PPDT that got entirely eliminated and obliterated by concepts and clarity provided by sir. And he generally gave me a perception to perceive the world, not just SSP, and that I believe things like things like seeing and observing our ambience around and getting information, noting down in our mind, small micro pathways to perceive the world. That's what give us, and I hope to carry on and carry forward with this and give sir a success and our team success from our batch.
Okay. Just a minute.
Jai Hind, sir. Earlier to this class, I thought that this site test is just a simple exam test as we give other exams. But after attending sir class, I came to know that this is not just a test. This is a basically test of your daily life. You cannot prepare for it just in 10 or 12 days. So this is basically you have to maintain your life in a positive way throughout your whole life. This is not gonna happen.
It's a lifestyle.
Yes, it's all about lifestyle.
Those qualities which are need to be reflected during SSB, you cannot reflect in one day. It has to be part of your life.
Yes.
That's what you want.
Yes, sir.
Very nice.
Good morning, sir. I have already prepared for SSB in many online platforms, and I believe that the online platforms were delivering that we should get with the ideas from practice. But sir has helped me a lot. Like he said that correlate your things with your daily life basis. Like I'm a coder, and he said that what are the happenings, what events do you attend, or what were the actions you take. So correlate with the actions that will naturally open out to the your psychological test. I believe that all the other platforms and those online channels that I've been watching, they were giving that the preconceived ideas. I believe that sir was able to open up my mind and I successfully can relate the things in a limited time. And so after that, I want to say that when I was giving the test, I also believe that before I was not able to complete the SRTs and WAT, but now I have successfully completed all my tasks within time, and that was the most and the most valuable outcome that sir has given. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So nice.
Good morning, sir. As I am fresher, I earlier I don't know about SSB, but now I learned here so much things. Here we have taught we have to think practically with efficient time management. Thank you.
Very nice.
First of all, I want to thank you, Dhruv and Jimat, for this amazing free course. And after all that, I want to thank you, amazing sir, our amazing sir, Deepak Tyagi sir. He is our psychologist. He changed my perspective toward the TAT, SRT, and all about the things. And the Deepak Tyagi sir, he is very enthusiastic and very at that type of person who wanted to teach, no matter who comes and no matter how many strengths are come. Whenever I have taken offline coaching also, but at that time I was underconfident. I could not make the full of TATs, SRTs, and WATs. But after I come into good different Jivats by after teaching by Deepak Tyagi sir, he teaches me a lot, and I am getting more confident and more strategic in my all the things. And for all of that, I thank you, sir, and from all of my team. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Good morning, sir. So, the difference that I saw in my personality before joining your classes and after is humongous. First of all, initially I was a very distracted person, and here I learned from you that the management of headspace very well. Then during the PPDT classes, I learned how to interact and discuss with people in confidence. So I think the part of confidence is one thing that I have learned. I was at nearly zero initially when I joined your classes. Now I feel a very confident and a disciplined person in my life, and I shall carry forward these learnings in my life. Thank you, sir.
Right.
Jai sir, as I am fresher, I was thinking SSB is a normal exam, and here I come to know it's a personality development exam. The examples and the discussions in the class made the class very interesting and relatable. Thank you, sir.
Very nice.
Jai sir and good morning, sir. I am a fresher, and before I came up here, I had no knowledge about the SSB. So the first day, sir has cleared all my doubts about the SSB, about various stages of SSB. Also, the psychology, the way the psychology the sir has told us is very different and is very, you can say, the class active. Because the lessons, the short thing which sir has given us, which has a very deep meaning. I will remember, sir, one day, one thing in all my life you have told us, like जो हम लोग हमारे बारे में क्या सोचते हैं, उससे हमें मतलब कि वो हम नहीं होते. हम अपने बारे में क्या सोच रहे हैं कि लोग हमारे बारे में क्या सोचेंगे, एक्चुअली में वही हम रियलिटी में होते हैं. So this is a very deep and a very good thing I told from sir. Sir, thank you so much, sir, for teaching us psychology.
So nice. So nice of you. And I'm also pleased to have you guys here. Please understand that just one pointer, SSB psychology is not a mathematical exam. आपको व्यवहार में, दिनचर्या में, डे टू डे लाइफ में वैसा ही होना पड़ेगा जैसा एक एक्सपेक्टेड अधिकारी होता है. वो ट्रेड्स, वो गुण, वो व्यवहार, वो क्वालिटीज आपके डे टू डे लाइफ में अगर आ जाएंगी तो ऑटोमेटिकली एग्जाम में रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाएंगे. ठीक है. And everybody can do with little bit of moderation, little bit of practice of your head space, little bit of management of head space. So all the best and have a good time. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.